Here's what Google doesn't want you to know yet. Their next-generation Nest Doorbell 2K has been caught red-handed sitting on retail shelves, and the leaked specifications are about to shake up everything you thought you knew about smart doorbell technology. Following the bombshell revelation that surfaced from a Home Depot discovery just yesterday, Google's anticipated camera collection keeps materializing in brick-and-mortar locations across the country. But here's where it gets controversial. We're now getting an unprecedented inside look at the Nest Doorbell 2K's true capabilities, including the precise resolution numbers that might make you question every other doorbell on the market. The most recent retail discovery comes courtesy of sharp-eyed Reddit users who spotted the Google Nest Doorbell wired 3rd generation in its pristine snow colorway. The packaging reveals itself through a sophisticated sleeve design featuring that distinctive pill-shaped identifier on the rear panel. And this is the part most people miss. Buried within the specifications section lies a game-changing revelation. That mysterious 2K HDR marketing term actually translates to a crystal-clear 2048 by 2048 resolution. To put this in perspective for those new to camera technology, we're talking about a massive leap forward from today's 960 by 1280 standard. But wait, there's more that'll blow your mind. The field of view has been dramatically expanded to an impressive 166 degrees diagonal coverage, representing a substantial upgrade from the current 145 degrees diagonal range. For context, this means you'll capture significantly more of your front porch, driveway, and surrounding areas, potentially eliminating those frustrating blind spots that current users constantly complain about. Now, here's where things get interesting for the broader Nest ecosystem. We're still left wondering how these specifications will translate to the anticipated Nest Cam 2K model. The existing camera lineup currently operates at 1920 by 1080 resolution, with field of view measurements ranging from 130 degrees for outdoor units to 135 degrees for indoor models. Will Google maintain consistency across their product line? Or are we looking at a fragmented approach that could confuse consumers? What remains refreshingly unchanged are the core features that made previous generations successful. Night vision capabilities continue to ensure round-the-clock monitoring. Two-way audio communication keeps you connected with visitors or potential intruders. And weather-resistant construction means your investment stays protected through harsh conditions. The engineering team has wisely maintained the proven operating temperature range of -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 104 degrees Fahrenheit, -20 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius, along with compatible power requirements that work with existing doorbell wiring setups, 16 to 24 VAC, 10 to 40 VA, 50 to 60 Hz transformer. The unboxing experience promises to be comprehensive, including everything needed for professional-grade installation. The Nest Doorbell unit itself. Chime connector for seamless integration, mounting baseplate, 20-degree angle wedge for optimal positioning, wire connector, hex key tool, wall screws with anchors, spacing hardware, and even a window decal for additional security signaling. But here's where Google's strategy becomes potentially controversial and, frankly, where many consumers might feel frustrated. The fine print clearly states, subscription sold separately, required for certain features, including Gemini and some AI experiences. This raises some serious questions about the true value proposition. Are we moving toward a future where basic security features require ongoing monthly payments? How much of this advanced 2K capability will be locked behind paywalls? This subscription model trend across the smart home industry has many questioning whether we're being nickel and dimed for features that should be standard. Some argue it's a necessary evolution to fund ongoing AI development and cloud storage, while others see it as corporate greed disguised as innovation. What's your take on this leaked information? Do these upgraded specifications justify what will likely be a premium price point? More importantly, how do you feel about essential smart home features being tied to subscription services? Is this the inevitable future of home security? Or are companies pushing too far? Share your thoughts below. Because this conversation about the balance between innovation and accessibility affects every homeowner considering smart security solutions.